Hello everyone, it's the Cricket Webble, and today I'm gonna be showing you how to make this gambling machine. This machine is heavily inspired by B0000 machine from his episode 4 of Hermitcraft season 7. In this episode, he created a gambling machine, but it was not working properly, so I fixed it. So yeah, let's get to building. Okay, so what you're gonna need? You're gonna need 3 chests or more, depending on how much you want to implement. You are gonna need around a stack of building blocks, including temporary blocks and permanent blocks. You'll need golden blocks for making the Noteblocks sound in a specific way. You're gonna need a rail, a minecart with hopper, a painting, a jukebox, 2 Noteblocks, 2 redstone lamps, 8 hoppers, 3 droppers, around 27 redstone dust, 5 redstone torches, 25 redstone repeaters, 5 redstone comparators, 1 sticky piston, and 1 lever. Okay, so once you have gathered all the materials, you want to go and search for an area that you want to build this project, this redstone. And if you are gonna dig it like build it like underground like me, you are gonna need like a 9 by 10 area by 4 down blocks. And the center of this machine is gonna be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 blocks, and the next 2 are gonna be the middle. So yeah, for the build, you're gonna start by placing the jukebox and an old block, and directly on top of that, you're gonna place 2 redstone lamps, just like that. Now you wanna go down, you wanna break these temporary blocks. You want to place the temporary block here and a permanent block here. You want to place a hopper looking at this block. Now you want to grab your chest. You want to place one here, and while shifting, you want to place another one here. Now, while shifting, you want to place a hopper looking at this chest. Now you want to place a permanent block here, and another one here, and another one here. You want to destroy this block, and you want to place one on the same level of the chest. Now, you want to grab quickly your gold block and place it underneath the note block. Now grab your rail and your minecart with a hopper. You are gonna shift, place the rail, and then place the minecart on top. Now, you want to grab your redstone. You want to get a comparator out of this hopper, and from this side, and another one from this side, like that. Then you want to place a redstone dust, another one here. Now a repeater down here, looking towards the middle of the hoppers. And then you want to place a redstone torch underneath the line of hoppers. And with that, you're finished with the payment system. Okay, so now that you have finished the payment system, you want to go from this comparator, you want to go 3 blocks out. You want to place redstone repeater. Then you want to place 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks. You want to place a dropper here. While shifting, a hopper looking at that dropper. Now, coming from this hopper, you want to go a comparator. 1 redstone here. Place a block here and 1 below. Yeah, redstone and redstone. Now, you want to grab another dropper, place it here, do the same with that one. Place another comparator. Now you want to create the rate system. You want to place Redstone Dust here. You want to place, look into the right of the build, repeater. Now you want to turn repeater, redstone here, in here, just like that. Okay, to the front you want to go 3 repeaters. You want to go 1 2 and 1 2, and place the redstone to connect. Now on this side, on the left side, you wanna place 2 extra redstone. Place 3 repeaters, redstone, and repeater. Now important, you wanna get this to 3 ticks. So that's 2 and 3, 2 3, 2 3, 2 3, 2 and 3. Then with that, and the rest of this, you're gonna leave them as they are on 1 tick, and it should look like that. Okay, so now on the middle of this two, you wanna place a block, place a torch on the back of that, place a block on top of that torch, torch on top of that block, a block on top of this torch, and you want to go up with temporary blocks and place a sticky piston on top and a block right there. Now you want to go 1 out like this. Wanna go 2 on each side. Now you want to go and grab a repeater here and a repeater here. Now grab your lever, place it here and flick it so it activates and creates a redstone power. Now place a redstone here and a torch here. Now grab your blocks and look at the side of the redstone torch and place 1 block there and another one, and place a block on top. It will do this, but it doesn't matter right now. Now place a hopper on side of this block, break this block, and place another hopper looking at that hopper while shifting. Now grab your comparator, place it there, place another block, a repeater. You wanna drop here and place while shifting 2 blocks here. Yes. You wanna place now 2 redstone dust here. Place a block on the gold block. Redstone dust. Grab your last torch and place it here. Will make a sound. Now you wanna grab your remaining stuff. Place temporary blocks here. These are gonna be permanent. And get a hopper and shift. Well, not shift. You can just place it here and shift while looking at this hopper. Now shift and place a chest on top of that hopper and break this so you can access the block, the chest. This is basically the where you put the price, where the price when they win. Now you place redstone here, and redstone repeater there. We need to place another one here, but we need to replace that with a dropper first. Now from this side, you want to place another note block here, and you want to place another gold block there while shifting so you don't change the tone yet. And you can hop into that note block, destroy this block, and while looking at this hopper, shift and place the dropper. And looking at this lamp, press the repeater that remains. So it's looking at to it. So now that you finish placing the repeater and the dropper and the note block, you want to get the paint and place it on this block. And as you can see, with that we are all set. We are finished with the build. Now let's get to the setting up the rates. Okay, to set up the machine, you will need 19 items of whatever you want to be the payment of the machine, and 4 extra blocks. In my case, I like to use slabs. This is gonna be the payment to use the machine. And as well, quite a good quantity of whatever the price you want to be. In my case, I want to give away gold and receive iron. To set up the rates, you will need some non-stackable items like boats and minecarts, and as well some other stackable blocks like granite, stone, or whatever. Basically all the items. You can use ores like gold, diamonds, whatever. And as well another random block that you wish. Okay, so first, to set up the machine, you want to come down below the first part that we built, and you want to select and open the first hopper that it's below the minecart with hopper. Over here, you want to place 4 slabs like this, or any blocks that you choose, and the 19 items that you want to be the price. So you can see, one is going to be gold 1 down, and the other one went to the lower upper. Now for the rates, this first dropper with hopper looking at him is gonna be the winning rate. Over here, if you place, for example, a non-stackable item like a boat or a minecart, this means it's gonna be a 100% winning rate, because non-stackable items are gonna give longer redstone pools. If you place, for example, a stone block here, this will become a 50 chance of winning or a 50 chance of losing. If you place another block that it's stackable, it needs to be different. Every item that you place here that are stackable need to be different. So they don't, for example, stack, and this will count as 3 blocks and not 4. So in this example, it's 33% of winning, because there is 1 non-stackable and 2 stackable items. So you divide the non-stackable items with the total of items that you have, and that will give you the percent of winning rate. In this case, I'm gonna just put it at 50-50%. For the multiplier rate, the second dropper and hopper is gonna be the same case. You want to place a non-stackable item and a stackable item, depending on the rates that you want to put. This basically if you put a non-stackable item, this will mean that it's gonna give you 3 times the price, and if it choose a stackable item, it's gonna be 2 times the price. Finally, on the redstone area, you wanna place an item on these 2 hoppers that are looking at each other. Any item. Okay, so finally, you wanna select the note for the winning rate, and as well as put in the price that you wanna give away. You wanna put 1 item of the price and the other ones on the hoppers on the back. Okay, so now to test the machine, you just wanna grab the item that you selected as a payment, and you just wanna drop 1 item at a time on this area. And as you can see, if I win, I'm gonna get the price that you selected. And as you can see, the first one was a 3 times, and the second one was a 1 time, well, a 2 times prize winning. Well then, everybody, this is the end of this tutorial on how to make this gambling machine. So I hope you have enjoyed the video, and I hope to see you on the next one. See ya!